Hi, welcome back to Uptake Online. Today I'm going to show you how to auto-fit columns in Excel. So every time you type a big word or a long word, let's say subscribe, this column B will auto-fit. The moment I remove it, it will go back to the normal version or fit with the longest word that has remained in that column. So if I put a long word and enter, it will auto fit. So how do you do that? Stick on this video up to the end, then we can go through how all this is done. So you're going to open a new Excel. This is it. So I can rename this sheet to VBA. Now what do? You have to make sure that the developer tab is activated. How do you deactivate activate the developer tab? Just right click anywhere in your tab, customize ribbon. So you go to customize ribbon, make sure that on popular commands, the main tabs, this developer mode is selected. So if you unselect it or if it was not selected, it will not be available. So the moment that is checked and okay, you'll be having this. So right click here, go to the view code, then the Visual Basic application interface will be open or window. Make sure that this window change genre to worksheet. The moment you change this, it will be having a selection change on the procedure. Then go under private sub worksheet selection change. We are going to type this word cells dot entire column, which is that dot auto fit, like this. Only that, cells dot entire column dot auto fit. The moment you're done with that, save, and it may ask you to save your workbook. So go ahead and save your workbook wherever you're saving it on your sheet. So I will save it here. This is VBA. Then make sure that you save it in macro enabled workbook. Then okay. So I'll cancel the window or the VBA window. Now this time I'm going to squeeze all these columns to that level. So the moment I type here submit, it will auto fit. Subscribe to Subtech Online, it will auto fit to that level. If you put numbers, it will keep auto fitting to the largest number. The moment you remove the largest number in that column, it will go back to the smallest column to make sure that it fits anything that is larger in length. So otherwise, that is it, guys. Continue subscribing, share with your friends, leave us a comment, by the way. Then continue watching our videos. More videos. We have over 100 videos on our YouTube channel. Otherwise, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy prosperous New Year 2024. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.